Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Vibe. Is your JVC TV refusing to turn on? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many JVC users face this frustrating issue, but the good news is that most of the time, it can be fixed at home without calling a technician. In today's video, I'll walk you through step-by-step troubleshooting methods to get your JVC TV working again. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also share a powerful reset method that works in most cases. Step 1. Check the power source and cable. First things first. Make sure your TV is receiving power. Unplug the power cable and check it for any damage. Plug the TV directly into a working wall socket instead of an extension board. Test the socket with another device like a lamp or phone charger to confirm it works. Sometimes, the issue is as simple as a loose or faulty power connection. Step 2. Inspect the remote control and power button next. Confirm whether the problem is with your remote or the TV itself. Replace the batteries in your remote. Try turning on the TV using the physical power button located on the side or bottom of the set. If the TV powers on with the button but not with the remote, you found your culprit. A non-responsive remote is a very common reason for JVC TVs not turning on. Step 3. Perform a soft power reset. If the TV still won't turn on, it may just be stuck in standby mode. Unplug your JVC TV from the power outlet. Press and hold the power button on the TV for 15 to 20 seconds. Wait 1 full minute before plugging it back in. Now, try powering it on again. This drains residual power and can fix minor system freezes. Step 4. Check for backlight and screen issues. Sometimes the TV is actually on, but the screen looks black because of a faulty backlight. Power on the TV and shine a flashlight on the screen. If you see faint images, the backlight may be damaged. In this case, you may need professional repair. Identifying this early will save you from endless trial and error. Step 5. Factory reset the TV. If none of the above works, try a factory reset. Locate the reset button at the back or bottom of your TV, sometimes a pinhole. Press and hold it with a pin for 20 to 30 seconds. Release and wait for the TV to restart. This resets the system and often resolves stubborn software issues. And that's it. By checking the power source, remote, performing a reset, and testing the screen, you can usually bring your JVC TV back to life. If nothing works, it's best to contact JVC support or a certified technician. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so others can fix their TV too. Thanks for watching.